11th dimension, 11s, measure, and the moon. 11 is a mysterious underworldly number. In German it goes by the appropriate name of Elf. 11 is important as the first number that allows us to begin to comprehend the measure of a circle. This is because, for practical purposes, a circle measuring 7 across will measure 11 halfway around. This relationship between 11 and 7 was considered so profound by the ancient Egyptians that they used it as the basis for the design of the Great Pyramid. Has the same perimeter as that of its square base. The intended 7-11 fold conversion between square and curve is demonstrated by numerous surveys. The ancients were obsessed with measures, and the number 11 is central in their metrological scheme. Extraordinary fact that the size of the moon relates to the size of the Earth, as does 3 to 11. What this means is that if we draw down the moon to the Earth, then a heavenly circle through the moon will have a circumference equal to the perimeter of a square around the Earth. This is called squaring the circle. Quite how the old Druids worked this out we may never know, but they clearly did, for the 11, 7, and 3 are all Lucas numbers, sisters of the Fibonacci numbers, new numbers forming from the sum of the previous 2 numbers. The Fibonacci sequence begins 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, whereas the Lucas sequence begins 2, 1, 3, 4. The 11th dimension is a characteristic of spacetime that has been proposed as a possible answer to questions that arise in superstring theory. The theory of superstrings involves the existence of 9 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time for a total of 10 dimensions. What is the 11 string theory? In string theory, physicists tell us that the subatomic particles that make up our universe are created within 10 spatial plus an 11th dimension of time by the vibrations of exquisitely small superstrings.